Okay, this is the second part of adding child. Just to review, I made a movie clip, the ghost movie clip. I right click on that ghost movie clip, go to properties. When I select properties, it comes up, I have the name here. This is just the symbol name. When I select export for ActionScript and export in frame 1, it automatically adds those names to ghost, to the class. The ghost name is added to the class. And then flash display movie clip is automatically added to the base class. So that'd be with whatever you made. So if you make a movie clip that's called flower, and you check export for ActionScript, then it'll come up as flower and the class name and so forth. So hit OK. Now, I'm going to go over to my ActionScript, and I want to code this. So let me get my ActionScript window over here. First of all, my timeline has a frame for actions, and I actually don't need a frame for the object. And let me first go to my timeline, show that. So this is my timeline. Everything's empty. If I publish this movie right now, this comes up. There's nothing there. That's because I haven't added anything to the stage. There's nothing on the stage. I'm not using ActionScript at this time. So I come back in here, and we want to add that in. So I'm going to create a variable, and start by saying var game ghost. Now that's the name of my variable. Nothing special about it yet. I do colon, and then I'm going to add the data type. There's actually a data type for movie clip. And what I want is to export this from the library and bring it on into Game Ghost. But in order to do that properly, I need to make this variable be a data type of movie clip. That way, it will take on the properties and methods of a movie clip. So I start typing in O-V-I. Look, it came up. So now I'm going to hit enter. There we go. Now I'm going to have equal sign and equals new ghost. Well, what's up with new ghost? Okay, here's the story. Do you remember what I called my object? Okay, my library, my my movie clip in the library is called ghost, but that's actually not what it's referring to. It is referring to, let me show this to you. I come up here and go to properties. Oh boy, I have to scroll this up. Okay, there we go. Right click, properties. Okay, it's referring to the class name. That's what it's referring to. It's not referring to this name. They are the same. They wouldn't have to be. So by default, when you hit export for ActionScript, it makes the class name the same. And that's the important name that we have to refer to. So I'll get these out of the way. Go back to my code. So we're going to create a new object called GameGhost. It's going to be a movie clip object, and it's going to take on the properties of a movie clip, because it's going to be a data type of movie clip. And in addition to that, it's going to be a new ghost object. Okay, meaning that it will also take on the properties and methods of that illustration, of that movie clip, of that specific movie clip. Now I go add child, and this is going to add it to the stage. I'm going to say game ghost. And here's the thing that's going on here. I've given this game ghost the properties and methods of a movie clip and then this specific movie clip. On line 4, I now add that child to the stage. Add child will now take it out of the library, place game ghost, this thing here, onto the stage. Now, one more thing. Let's place it at a certain value, so it's not just in the corner of the stage. And there you are. Now it should appear on the stage at that place. Let's test it and see if it works. There we are. So I've tested it. It appears at 5120. And I close back out and go back to our code. And I'll continue in the last tutorial about how to make it move.